In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new page in Notion. Creating pages is the foundation of how you organize notes, projects, and documents in Notion, and the quickest way to start is with a single, reliable button in the sidebar. We'll keep this simple and crystal clear so you can do it with confidence. First, look to the left side of your Notion window. That vertical column is your sidebar, where you see things like your workspace sections, favorites, and existing pages. At the very top of that sidebar, toward the right side of that panel, you'll see a button labeled Plus New Page. It may appear as a plus sign followed by the words New Page, and it sits above the list of pages. This is the button you want. Move your cursor to that Plus New Page button and click it. That's the entire action. The moment you click, Notion creates a brand new page for you and brings it into focus. You'll typically see a blank canvas with an untitled heading and a blinking cursor, which is your visual confirmation that the page is ready to use. You don't have to worry about saving anything manually. Notion saves changes automatically as soon as the page is created. You'll also notice that the new page now appears in your sidebar, usually within your current workspace or team space section. This is helpful because it keeps your new page easy to find and accessible as you continue working. If you ever wondered whether the click worked, just glance at the sidebar. The page will be listed there immediately. A quick tip, if you don't see the sidebar, it might be collapsed. In that case, look for the sidebar toggle near the top left of your Notion window and make sure the sidebar is visible so the plus new page button appears. Also, if your Notion window is very narrow, the label might look compact. Expanding the window can make it easier to spot. After clicking plus new page, you're already set up to begin working. From here, you'll have the freedom to structure your content however you like. Notion gives you the flexibility to shape this new page later, so there's no pressure at this stage. Simply know that one click is all it takes to create that space for your ideas. To recap, creating a new page in Notion couldn't be more straightforward. Locate the sidebar on the left, find the plus new page button at the top right of that sidebar, and click it. That's it. You now have a fresh page, saved automatically and ready whenever inspiration strikes.